Thanks to Mr. Lengate, our children and staff have the skills and knowledge to excel in the digital age. He is providing invaluable support for our members of staff and our school. He arrives every week with heaps of knowledge, energy and enthusiasm, not to mention his high quality technology that as a school we would not otherwise be able to access due to budget restrictions.
Hi, I'm Rob Walker. I'm co-head teacher at Furbank Primary School in Ltd. Recently, Reddy's been in to work with our Year 3 class and our Year 4 class. The children have been extremely enthused by what we've been doing, extremely motivated. One class have been working using Scratch, controlling, and the thinking and the problem solving and the working together that enabled them to do is absolutely fantastic. You'd walk into the classroom and you could feel that buzz going on. Many of the children commented, "I'm going straight home tonight to carry on with this and to be logging in." It was a wonderful experience for the children, and it's something that we as a school will be looking to follow up on.